So I needed a place for less than 10 hours in Mumbai, and this hotel seemed to fit my requirements. Let's take a look at it. Hey everyone, this is Ram. I make travel videos like this and a lot more, so if you like watching videos like these, do consider subscribing to my channel. The purpose of booking this hotel was due to its proximity to the international airport. But it took 45 minutes to reach the hotel due to the congested traffic in its locality. Even while leaving to the airport at midnight, this locality was active like rush hour. Right after the check-in process, which took less than a few minutes, I made it here. My room seemed spacious and comfortable enough for 2 people. I didn't get to sleep overnight, but I found the mattress and pillows very comfy. The tap water available in the room is perfectly potable. This is something I haven't seen in hotels for a long time. The hotel still offered 2 complimentary water bottles during my stay. I finally got to see a fridge with something in it after a while. The pricing of the room was reasonable or even cheap if you consider other hotels near the international airport. The bathroom was sparkling clean and I really liked the shade of the walls. The hotel offers room service from their restaurant, which had a lot of North Indian dishes on their menu. I wasn't completely happy with the food, and I felt that the quality of the food could be improved. This was the view from the room with all the possible traffic sounds. If you're a light sleeper, you might want to bring some earplugs with you. The traffic noise can get to you after a while. I hope the hotel looks into it and have whatever that's causing the noise leak fixed. Overall, I was very happy with the room, but the location and the few setbacks that I experienced makes me want to rethink to recommend this place. Well, if you need to spend a few hours of transit or a place to stay overnight and you don't mind about anything else like the location or the traffic, I'm gonna say you can check this hotel out. So that wraps up for this video. If you guys found this video useful, give it a like and click on the subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and as usual, I'll see you guys in the next one.